The 14th chapter of How to Make Your First Million by Vincent Arte, titled Maintaining and Growing Your Wealth, serves as a compass for readers who have successfully achieved their financial milestones and are now navigating the landscape of wealth preservation and expansion. In this pivotal chapter, Arte intricately explores the dynamics of wealth management, providing readers with strategic insights into safeguarding their financial achievements and strategically growing their wealth. The chapter opens with Arte emphasizing the transformative nature of achieving financial milestones. He reinforces that reaching the coveted million-dollar mark isn't merely the culmination of a financial journey, but the beginning of a new phase, one that requires a nuanced and deliberate approach to wealth management. Arte sets the tone by highlighting the importance of financial stewardship, guiding readers to view their wealth not only as an indicator of personal success, but as a tool for creating lasting impact and securing a prosperous future. A central theme in this chapter is the concept of financial literacy and empowerment. Arte delves into the intricacies of understanding and navigating the financial landscape, stressing that informed decisions are fundamental to preserving and growing wealth. He provides readers with a toolkit for enhancing their financial acumen, including resources for ongoing education, staying abreast of market trends, and developing a strategic mindset. This foundation in financial literacy forms the bedrock for the subsequent discussions on wealth maintenance and growth. Arte introduces readers to the significance of strategic budgeting and expense management in maintaining wealth. He underscores the importance of aligning expenses with financial goals and introduces advanced budgeting strategies to optimize cash flow. Arte explores the concept of lifestyle inflation and provides readers with practical tools to avoid its pitfalls, ensuring that wealth isn't eroded by unnecessary expenditures. This segment serves as a pragmatic guide for readers to cultivate disciplined financial habits that contribute to the longevity of their wealth. The narrative unfolds as Arte explores the multifaceted realm of investments. He revisits the principles introduced in earlier chapters, emphasizing the need for diversification, risk management, and informed decision-making. Arte provides readers with insights into advanced investment strategies, including alternative investments, real estate ventures, and sophisticated financial instruments. This segment of the chapter serves as a comprehensive guide for readers seeking to optimize their investment portfolio for sustained growth. Arte delves into the concept of strategic debt management as a tool for wealth optimization. He explores the nuances of leveraging debt for strategic purposes, such as investment funding, while cautioning against the pitfalls of excessive or unproductive borrowing. Arte introduces readers to advanced debt consolidation strategies, refinancing options, and debt restructuring techniques to maximize financial efficiency. This exploration empowers readers to use debt as a strategic asset in their wealth management toolkit. A pivotal theme in this chapter is the importance of estate planning. Arte guides readers through the intricacies of preserving wealth across generations, emphasizing the role of wills, trusts, and other estate planning instruments. He introduces readers to the concept of generational wealth and provides actionable insights into creating a legacy that extends beyond a single lifetime. Arte's exploration of estate planning serves as a compass for readers seeking to secure the long-term impact of their financial achievements. The chapter unfolds as Arte addresses the importance of risk management in wealth preservation. He revisits the concept of diversification and introduces readers to advanced risk mitigation strategies, such as hedging and insurance. Arte underscores the dynamic nature of risk and provides readers with a framework for assessing and navigating various risk factors in their financial journey. This segment empowers readers to cultivate a resilient approach to wealth management, positioning them to weather unforeseen challenges and fluctuations in the financial landscape. Arte explores the transformative impact of strategic giving and philanthropy in wealth management. He delves into the concept of using wealth as a force for positive change, illustrating how philanthropic endeavors can not only create a meaningful impact on society, but also contribute to the legacy of the giver. Arte provides readers with practical tools for integrating philanthropy into their wealth management strategy, emphasizing the intrinsic value of giving back. The chapter concludes with Arte reinforcing the importance of adaptability and continuous learning in wealth management. He acknowledges that the financial landscape is dynamic, requiring individuals to stay informed about emerging trends, regulatory changes, and market dynamics. Arte encourages readers to embrace a growth mindset, positioning themselves to adapt to evolving circumstances while maintaining a steadfast commitment to their financial goals. In conclusion, maintaining and growing your wealth emerges as a comprehensive guide to the intricacies of wealth management. Vincent Arte intricately weaves together principles of financial literacy, strategic budgeting, advanced investment strategies, debt management, estate planning, risk mitigation, and philanthropy. This chapter serves as a roadmap for readers who have achieved financial milestones, empowering them to navigate the complexities of wealth management with clarity, purpose, and a strategic mindset. Whether through disciplined budgeting, strategic investments, or forward-thinking estate planning, Arte positions wealth maintenance and growth as an ongoing journey with the potential to create lasting impact and secure a prosperous legacy. Ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Don't miss out on the full version of the best-selling personal finance book, How to Make Your First Million by Vincent Arte. Visit vincentarte.com now to grab your copy and embark on the journey to financial freedom. And that's not all. Everyone who buys a book through our website will have the unique opportunity, courtesy of Vincent Arte, to secure lifelong passive income for themselves.